Welcome back, guys. Unbox United with another unboxing for you. It's the 14th of November 2024. Christmas is fast approaching. So guys, I wanted to share something for you guys. I've got a new watch. I'm not sure why I've been buying watches at the moment, but I saw this. You probably seen this from TikTok or um, Instagram commercials. This is the Magnus. Um, it's like a wheel spinners. The video is not about this, but I'm just showing you. I'm kinda into watch at the moment, but I got a special unboxing for you guys. This is a watch from a Japanese brand, popular from the since the 80s, I think, or more than the 80s, I think 1963. It's called the Seiko 5. So they're celebrating their 100 years, and one of their ambassadors are Yuto Horigami. So he's like one of the best skateboarders in the world. So this is like a tribute from him winning the Olympics and the World Championships. So this is I'm not sure if there are other watches, but I think this is the second release. The first one was a bit more expensive, and it's only made they only made 3,000 of that watch, and this watch is 6,000. So 6,000 around the world, and it's serially numbered. That's why I'm kinda wanting to have one, because it's like a collector's item. So each watch is like, made for you because it's numbered. So I got this from Seiko USA, and I've been a fan of Seiko 5 as well. Seiko 5 is like a legendary watch. Growing up, this is the watch I've been seeing men rocking. So like, I got friends that are working in the sea. They call seaman. So to my Filipino friends out there, if usually we got seaman friends that work in the sea, and they always wear Seiko 5. So I've been growing up and seeing a lot of Seiko 5. It's a nice watch. It's a diverse watch. So as might as well have one, since I'm a grown up now and an adult. And I like the design and the style. It's like a field watch, and it's very sporty. It's nice for rocking it for everyday use. So without further ado, shall we open the box? So this just arrived today. I was very excited. It was like a 3-day shipping. So shout out to Seiko USA. It was quick. I ordered it last Friday, I think, and then it's I think, oh no, it's more than 3 days. It's already, I think, Thursday today. So yes, it's not too bad. It was quick shipping. So I was expecting this to be like coming from Japan, but obviously this was probably based here in the States. So let's check it out. Thank you, Seiko USA. Oh, they didn't give this to me, but I wish they have given this to me, but I paid for this, guys. And guys, I think the pricing of this is very nice, because you won't break your bank. The retail price is around 335. I think the first one was around 495, so almost 500 for the serially numbered to 3,000, but this is the serially numbered to 6,000, which is 335, which is, I think, very good price for, you know, a serially numbered and a collector's or collaboration watch. So that's my receipt. So yeah, so this came from and it came with a gift as well. I'm not sure what was the gift because I bought it straight from Seiko. We'll open that too. And yeah, they were celebrating the 100 years of Seiko 5. So this is Japan made. So we'll have Japanese handwriting here. So guys, if I got some Japanese friends out there who's watching, you probably can message me on the comment what does this mean. But yeah, this is the box. So I went to get this straight from Seiko USA to be sure that this is legit, because you can find this as well in Amazon, but I don't want to take that risk. You probably can get this lower than Amazon, but you're not sure if that's authentic. So just go straight to Seiko USA. They're in stock. So you know, just go straight to the company. So you just slide it. So this is called the SRP J39 model. So that's the price, 335 plus tax. So it's not too bad, guys, for a, you know, collab watch and a numbered watch. So I'm so excited. What number is this watch? So I messaged them to give me a lower number, but let's see if they did listen to me or they just send whatever. So that's the branding, Seiko 5. So this should be good, guys, because see, there's like Japanese writing there, and what does it say? Nothing much. The box is made in China, but obviously they're saving on box. But guys, these are Japanese made watches. So let's see. So this is how it should look, guys. So obviously you will have the warranty from Seiko, the booklet. So this is what you should find, guys. So it means your watch is legit, and you will have your Seiko certificate of limited warranty. So just be careful, guys. So that's they even put in the serial number. Oh great. If I'll double check, so it says here I got the number 991. So I'm less than 1,000, so I'm under the 1,000 because this is 6,000, so not bad. So I got the number 991, guys. So they even wrote my name there. So shout out to Seiko USA. So guys, I got the legit one, okay? You can't say on the comment that it's fake. Even though the box is from China. LOL. They got to save some money from, you know, the box. So so this is what it should look like. So yes, the box is made in China. And then another Seiko 5 logo. And then how do we open this box? This is my first Seiko. And then boom, there you go. You should see. Well, let's get the watch and make sure it doesn't fall. So there's a like a emblem autograph of Yuto Horigami limited edition. So that's the box. And then There's a pillow for the box. So this is what you should find, guys, if you buy one. Whoa, beautiful. So guys, you know I love my camo, so that's why I bought this. I'm not sure if the camera will get it, but that's why I fell in love with this watch. So it's like a diver's watch. So this thing goes around, and then there's a date and day in the inside the watch. So for this price, and it's sapphire crystal too, so it's scratch proof, and then it's 24 jewels. This is automatic, that's why I got to have it for that price. Automatic and scratch proof with sapphire. How can you get wrong with that price? So the only thing, it's the bracelet is silicone, which is I don't mind, because if I'm just gonna wear this for every day, you know, you're gonna sweat, so that's all right. And then you got the window there for the automatic engine. So that's a Seiko automatic movement, which is good. That's a Japanese made, so you know Japan movement are good. So, and then on the window, I'm not sure if you're gonna see, there's like a signature, like embossed in the glass, so that is cool as well. So there's like a signature of Yuto Horigami. And then basically this is really like a skateboarder's watch, you know. So I'm so excited to rock this. I'm gonna wear this already tomorrow. So yeah, and the color as well, very simple, all black. It's like a, you know, sniper watch. So how can you get wrong with this watch? And it's camo, so I love it. So just sharing this, guys. I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing of the Seiko 5 Yuto Origami. So please like and subscribe, help my channel grow, hopefully reaching 1K subscribers or followers this coming 2024 2025. So help my channel grow. Mabuhay to all my Filipino friends in the Philippines, guys. Seiko 5, you know, it's one of our top watches down there in the Philippines. So check Seiko 5 by Yuto, or for Yuto Horigami. So till next time, thumbs up, peace.